Hey guys, so it's literally after 12. It's almost 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12:48 and we were about to go to sleep, but I realized that I'm starving and I'm just so hungry right now and I need to get a snack. So I guess this will be called like a midnight snack trying foreign foods. We bought this stuff yesterday, went to an international market and just picked up random stuff that we've never tried before. Oh, didn't even introduce you guys to my niece. This is Sanair. She takes all of my photos on Instagram. She's such an amazingly talented youth. These are called shrimp crackers. And I love shrimp, so I'm excited to try these. I love seafood, I love shrimp. So let's see, I can't imagine how a shrimp cracker would taste, but open it up. Girl, can you open the bag?
That smells like,
oh my god.
it smells like a dirty fish market. Like as soon as you walk in a fish market, it just goes. It's very pungent. I don't want to smell it.
That smells so bad.
No, I don't think this is edible.
Oh my gosh, the smell is bad. Tastes like cheddar fries.
It tastes like cheddar.
What? It tastes like cheddar fries.
Oh no.
So when you first try this stuff, it tastes like cheddar fries. But then, after a while, it has a weird taste.
It got like a really strong...
But does it taste like shrimp?
Like raw old shrimp. Are you not tasting that? Are you still eating?
I told you I was hungry. Yeah, we're gonna put this in a bag. What's next? What's that?
It did not taste
oh no.
Red bean mochi.
This is from the Asian aisle as well.
Made in Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan. This looks like it has some type of chocolate.
Red bean.
It looks like an egg. A boiled egg that's sliced in the middle with some chocolate fudge coming out of the insides of this.
It just has sugar, glutinous rice, starch, vegetable oil, and red bean paste. Flavor and sorbic acid.
Let's try it. Who picked that out?
Sorbic acid. Let's try it.
Red mochi. What is mochi? Mochi.
You should Google it.
That's interesting.
Oh. Ew, that looks like a hard dumpling.
It comes in a special package. And it, yeah, what? And it has like a soft, mushy, squishy thing. You have to try it. You picked it out.
It smells like tires.
Oh my gosh, it does smell like tires. Oh my god.
Tires.
What?
Ladies first.
You're a little lady.
You're older. It's like dense, and then the consistency is like a. Like
what the? Let me see.
The consistency is like Play-Doh.
Ew. It looks see-through.
Ew, it don't taste like nothing. It just tastes like a. I'm not like chewing, but it tastes like like you know.
Try it.
I did.
Let me lick yours.
Lick it, ew, it's so nasty.
Take a big bite.
I'm like tasting
rubber.
rubber.
I'll take a bite. Wait. Oh, it's like a jelly.
I don't like mochi.
Let me.
I don't like.
Let me chew it.
Ew. Ew.
Ew.
That tastes really bad.
Ew.
Maybe we eating the wrong foods, like, cause we don't know the culture. We might be eating the nasty foods.
That's funny that you said that it was like rubber, because it smelled like a tire, and it was stretchy like rubber, which is weird.
I don't like that. I couldn't even swallow that.
That was bad.
Next is by Niji. Yan Yan.
Yan Yan looks good.
It's wafer with chocolate. It'll be good.
That's interesting.
Yan Yan, it's gonna be good.
Wait, it says something on there.
It's a breadstick.
Quack quack duck. That's what mine says, quack quack duck.
The breadstick alone, it tastes like,
What does yours say?
those ones from the cheese. I don't know, it says some cheap wool sweater.
Okay. Interesting.
I'll eat some Yan Yan.
Yan Yan's alright.
Yan Yan tastes good.
Chocolate's good. I mean, I love chocolate though.
Not even the chocolate, the breadstick alone.
Yan Yan's good. Yan Yan's a good snack. You pronounce that for me?
Samantha.
Samita.
They're bored.
The board.
They're bored.
Bread edge.
What does it sound like?
It reminds me of like
it
cocoa
smells-
bread from.
No, don't even disrespect. It smells like literally like a dry bread. Like
Yeah, like cocoa bread.
half.
Making restaurant and it's a little burn.
It got sugar on it?
Yeah, it looks like it got sugar on top.
Ooh,
And it has like a cracker consistency.
the thing's dry.
Try some.
No, 1, 2, 3 together. You need to break these.
It looks like a sugar cookie. That tastes alright though.
No, it does not.
It's okay to me. It reminds me of like those little cookies.
The
sugar on top?
Flour.
What?
You know the cookies that come in the blue circles?
Yes, that's it. The cookies that come in that, I knew it. I knew I tasted it before. The cookies that come in that blue circle tin.
It tastes like that with flour.
It tastes
A lot
just
of
like the
flour.
sugar one. Yeah. Nana will love these. We're gonna leave these in the bag for her. So we went strolling down the Hispanic or Spanish aisle and we came across these quesadilla cheese.
Familiar sponge cake pan dulce de queso.
Okay, so we
And
came across
the
this quesadilla cheese sponge cake thing. So let's try it. Weird that it's a quesadilla cheese sponge cake, but we're gonna try it anyway.
I feel like this is supposed to be made with something. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, you put some sauce on top or something.
no, like it's supposed to be like it's the outer cake, and then you know like how you can't eat pie crust alone.
No.
You get it? Okay.
Oh, you said you cannot eat pie.
Yeah,
Oh, like you put some sauce on top.
yeah, like if people from other countries tried out American food and they just went to
Don't
eat
you
pie
rub no
crust
crumbs on the
alone.
bed, child.
Ooh.
What it smell like?
It smell like
I don't think you should smell it first. Then
it smell like tire again. That was interesting just now.
Okay.
I was waiting. I'm giving it about 10 seconds. It tastes like you taste it and it's like, oh, this ain't that bad, and then you hit with the rubber, then you're hit with this weird like raspberry taste, like a sweet taste,
Oh, it's strange.
and then it goes straight to like, I don't even know how to explain, but
it ain't that bad. I mean, this is better than the mochi. Let me try it again.
anything is
Just to
better than the mochi. And then it got like sesame seeds on it.
Yeah, it looks like a pie with sesame seeds, but it's a pound cake with quesadilla and cheese. It's okay.
What is quesadilla and cheese?
It's okay. It kind of tastes like a pound cake. It's fine. So what do we have here?
Seasoned seaweed. Seasoned seaweed. Yeah.
From the Asian aisle as well. They look like seaweed.
It tastes good.
Let's see.
I love seaweed snacks. It's not a taste for everyone. Definitely not. Not everyone's a fan.
It dissolves in your mouth. And it smells like,
The sea.
yeah. It dissolves right in your mouth, but it tastes like salt. Chewy salt. Yeah, I like it. I like these. These are good. What do we have next? That's something called A rice cookie. This is by Tropico.
Tropico.
What country is this? Oh, arroz con
Arroz.
pollo. That's Spanish, right?
Arroz con pollo? What are you talking about? Arroz con pollo. That means rice and chicken.
Salpo de arroz.
Salpor de arroz. Cookie of rice. But then in English it translates to rice cookie.
Okay.
Why is everything made with like
hard
rice?
Why is everything hard like this?
No, it's made with like, yeah. It smells like those.
It don't smell like
What
that
it
to
smell
me.
like to you? It don't taste like that.
It tastes like rice? What does it taste like? I don't have no sugar on top like the other one. Oh, boo-hoo.
It literally tastes like a plain cookie.
This tastes like something I made or baked. You know I like to bake.
You do not make. You lying. You lying.
So now you know I baked for you.
You be lying.
You should try it. I made you some muffins.
When?
Like 2 weeks ago.
You definitely.
They were chocolate chip. You lied, Sanera.
You lied.
Sanera, you didn't say that you liked my muffins. They were chocolate chip. They were little small ones.
You never made no muffins in your life.
Sanera, why are you
lying?
Sanera, I made some muffins 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, I remember those muffins 2 weeks ago.
Was it that unforgettable?
If it was unforgettable, then I wouldn't forget it. Was it that unforgettable?
You know, it's after my bedtime.
Just wash this down a little.
That's a good idea. So what we have?
Jaros. Mandarina. It's orange.
Let me see how this looks. So we went to Family Dollar. Or was it Dollar Tree? We went to Dollar Tree to find some affordable makeup for her. For her back to school.
No, for a new video.
Why you gotta look at me like that? Okay, so we went into Dollar Tree during a thunderstorm hurricane. And when we were in there, she stopped by this and she's like, this looks so... No, you told me that you tried it before at a Mexican restaurant and you loved it. And I was like, I don't know. It just looks like orange soda.
It tastes like orange dishwater.
Oh, why would you say that?
Oh, wait. Oh, I can't even touch that.
This is good.
Do you remember the last time she made me ears or something? The last time she made me ears or something was in 2nd grade. We were on my way to school. Okay? I'm in 11th now. Okay? 2nd grade. I was like 3 hours late to school because she got lost and somehow we ended up in Virginia. In the middle of nowhere, and the school was only like 20 minutes away from where we are. But we ended up an hour into Virginia. So we stopped. She's like, okay, we get some food. We went to McDonald's, we got food. I asked her, can I get some water? She said, no, you can drink your drink when you get into class. But I was thirsty then in the car, so she was like, I'll give you a waterfall. I said,
no. What the heck is a waterfall?
I said, no. Okay, I didn't want no parts. She was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna spill it, I promise. I go back, she's gives me a waterfall. She spills it all over my face, in my nose, all over my shirt.
Really?
It was a time we was coming back to New York, because I live in New York. We were coming here to visit. She came, got us lost in the middle of a farmland, in a dead end farmland, no civilization. Because she said, oh yeah, I know where I'm going, up this way.
So this is the last thing. She also saw this in Dollar Tree, but she didn't get it from there. We got it from the international store. What is Taki?
It's okay, so it's like a tortilla chip. And it's like rolls. And they got like chile and lemon. Chile, like hot chili pepper though, not like chili the food. You gonna like?
I don't eat no spicy stuff.
Oh, maybe you don't know.
Why do you guys smell everything?
It smells good.
Ooh. You remind me of those Fritos Fritos with sour cream.
Ew.
Some Frito. Dang, this thing smells like chili peppers. Tastes like chili pepper. It has like a zest to it.
These remind me of middle school. I used to eat these every day. One person buy it, whole class eat it.
Mmm. It's sour.
That's that little drip. Told you.
Dang, this thing. You're real spicy real fast.
You take that tortilla, then you taste a little spice and a little sweet, and then you taste a little lime, and you're like, and then.
Yes, they remind me of sweet and sour Doritos.
Yeah.
It's not called sweet and sour, it's called something else though.
No, sweet chili.
Sweet chili Doritos. That is what they taste like. So what are you eating for your midnight snack? Out of all the snacks, which one do you choose?
Seaweed.
That's what I was going to choose.
No, you better eat some yan. Which one was your favorite?
The seaweed snacks.
Yeah.
And the rice cookie. I like the rice cookie.
Are you crazy?
Now the shrimp. Which one was your least favorite?
Oh, mushy for sure.
Yeah, mushy.
I would eat a whole bag of them shrimp crackers to not eat one mushy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if we've tried food from any of your countries. Bentley, stop licking the trash can. Come here.
Dog got no home training. That dog eats leaves.
Come here, Mama.
Her dog eats the grass outside.
Like Moshi.
You should give her some. She eat
That's
anything.
me.
She do eat anything. She will eat that in 2.0 seconds and come back for
Let's
more.
see what she eats. Come here, Mama.
Ew, what's on top of that? Oh, ooh.
Bring her closer to the camera.
Ew, the mushy.
Hopefully this don't give her diarrhea or gas. Honey, she smelled it, licked it, and turned away.
Never not eat
Do
stuff.
it. Bentley.
Put it on my leg. Put it on my leg. No way. Bentley, you don't never refuse. What? Oh! No, God, this dog eats everything. I'm telling you.
Put her out so they can see it.
I see her eat grass.
Mama, you want
every
some Moshi?
day. Honey, don't lie. Don't lie.
Ah, Bentley! Oh my gosh, she don't like
You think
it!
it's only the mushy? Try something else.
Oh no.
Like
Oh, the
what?
seaweed. She'll like it because it got salt on it. Oh, she smelled that. She said, honey, this ain't for me, child. This is not for me. Come on, Mama.
She not.
You don't like that either? Okay.
She's not a fan tonight. She don't lie.
Yeah. That's all she do is be on the phone on Snapchat.
She's just mad because I won't add her on Snapchat.
Bye.